Hello there and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Look what I've got for you today, folks. 1964 Velocette LE, absolute classic. Such an iconic bike here in the UK. Obviously the older generation might recognise these as the old police bikes. I believe the AA might have used them. Did you have one at work? Let me know. Did you use one as a working vehicle? So this is a lovely LE. It has been restored, probably in the 90s, I think, looking at all the invoices I've got. But yeah, let's have a nice walk around this bike, because it's lovely. It's one of those bikes. It's so different. It's weird. But it's lovely. It really is. I'm not going to start it up because there's not a skerrick of fuel in it, because it's come out of a private collection. So no fuel in this one, I'm afraid. It is down as historic on the V5, so no tax or test required, folks. And got lots of paperwork and documentation with this bike. But yeah, without further ado, as always, let's just have a quick scan round. The condition is really nice. As you can see from the this camera there, the blue is just lovely. No dents, no scratches on that. Like I say, it has been restored. Such a really nice bike, and we are told it does start and run sweet as a nut, but we haven't actually done it. I just discovered this. I was just opening up everything. We've got real nice big, I'm going to lay this out on the seat. Got real nice big original toolkit there. We've got all kinds of spanners and bits and bobs in here. Also look at that owner's handbook, original owner's handbook for this particular bike in this glove box as well. And if I just jump round this side ahead, you've got the plaque just on the inside of the lid there as well. So just really nice. Just such a nice quirky bike, this. Yeah, 1960. They were whisper quiet, these. You know, I don't know whether or not it's true or not, but someone once told me that the police used these because they were very quiet, so they could creep up on the older criminals unnoticed. Like I say, not sure how true that is. Sounds good though. Does it? Sounds good. But yeah, they were whisper quiet, these bikes, these little LEs. And as you can see, it's just such a nice, quirky little bike. Lovely. I do like it. I like the earlier ones as well with the hand start. Or was that a later one? I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I do like these. I think they're a cracking looking bit of kit. So yeah, loads of stuff with this bike. And if we scan over to the table, tons of owner's manuals, tons of spare parts manuals, various magazine of the LE Velo Club, stuff like that. Loads of those. Tons of invoices and stuff. Like I say, I think it was early 90s, a lot of it got, yeah, 93, new radiator, lots of invoices from 93 when I think the restoration occurred, and I don't think it's done much since then. I think it's been passed out as a small private collection. Like I say, it is down as historic on the V5, so no tax or test required. But yeah, what a lovely little bike that is, folks. So we'll obviously get the bike started and running for you. We can offer nationwide or international delivery, not a problem at all. It's even got a nice little plate on it. What's that? ETF 41B. Nice plate there. Yeah, nice little plate. So yeah, like I say, we can offer nationwide or international delivery. I think I would struggle on finance on this particular bike, purely on its value, because it's not a lot. It's hardly worth doing, to be fair. So yeah, if you want to know a little bit more about this bike and the price, there is a description below, and also a link to the website where you'll find a load of photos so you can have a bit of a zoom in. But yeah, this is lovely to have all these little spare parts, and you know, the owner's manual in here and all this kind. It's a bit of a time capsule almost. There's all kinds of stuff wrapped up in there, all little bits and bobs. So if you've got any questions on this bike, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at this beautiful 1960s Velocette, not a problem. If you're coming to look at something specific, i.e. this bike, give us a call ahead of time just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. I always feel bad for people that have travelled and haven't rang me to check a bike's in stock and it's been sold the day before or something like that. Okay folks, that's me done on this one. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. It really does help the channel. And thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate the support. And don't forget, if you're passing by Doncaster, the kettle's usually on and the brews are on me. So until next time, stay safe out there folks. And yeah, that's a quirky bike. Let me know your thoughts. Cheers.